In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up work schedules in Monday.com. Whether you're new to this platform or just looking to refine your scheduling process, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth setup. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your workspace. Click on the Login button in the upper right corner of the page. If you've previously set up your account using Google, simply click on the Google icon and select your Google account. This is a quick and easy way to gain access without the hassle of remembering yet another password. Now that you're logged into the Monday.com platform, let's go ahead and create a new board. On the left-hand panel, locate the plus icon. Clicking on this will prompt you to add a new board. Once you have done this, you'll be presented with several options, but to streamline your process, we're going to use a template. Just click on the template center when it appears on the screen. Now we need to find the right template for our needs. Head to the search bar within the template center and type in schedule. Press enter, and you should see a list of relevant templates that match your query. From this list, look for the work schedule template. Click on it to open more details about what it includes. This template is a fantastic resource for organizing task assignments and timelines, making it easier to visualize team workloads at a glance. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on Use Template. This action will integrate the selected work schedule template into your Monday.com workspace, providing you with a structured format to start mapping out your team's schedule immediately. With the template set up, you now have the flexibility to customize it according to your team's specific requirements. Feel free to rename columns, change statuses, or add more rows to fit your unique project needs. The platform is designed to be highly adaptable, so make the board work best for you. In just a few simple steps, we've created a functional and efficient work schedule using Monday.com. Stick around with this tool and explore other features it offers, such as automations and integrations, to further optimize your workflow. Keep in mind that the more you tailor your workspace, the more intuitive and useful it will become for you and your team. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to check out other tutorials or reach out to Monday.com's support team. They're always eager to help you get the most out of their platform. Happy scheduling!